Ah, peep. I forgot a USB cable. Uh, um, what do I connect this to? They're all full. I don't know where you what's at work. Hmm. How do connect? Oh my gosh, I have actually 26 USB devices. It's so annoying. Disconnected immediately. Nice. My favorite thing on the planet. Just wanted to see if this works. It really doesn't fucking matter. Hot and sweaty, and everything's not working. That's the classic. I'll have to see if this works. Okay. How am I gonna get this on there? Let's see. New window capture? Gonna have to hope that there's no other shit that happens in the back of my screen because it's way too complicated to do anything else. Standalone game? It works. I have a GameCube controller. Last time it didn't work with this, but there was an update today. It didn't work with this version of the window, like this thing that over here, not the controller. I haven't tried the controller yet. It does have to compile a lot of shaders, so I don't know how long that takes. If it's every time, or if it's just once per build, or what. Let's see what it's doing. Crashed out. Okay, we're not allowed to do that. We'll have to just do it in imply. Okay, buddy. Didn't ask you to start it, but thanks, I guess. You guys are not allowed to see that? Nice. Why not? How the fuck is that? No audio on it? Did I turn off the music by chance? Damn, the controller just doesn't work out of the box. I don't even know if this adapter works is the problem. Oh, why do you guys not stop? It is certainly not doing goodly. Settings, audio. And this would be really way more enjoyable if it wasn't fucking 8 degrees on January 16th. Let's see. Audio mixer. That's okay. No, though. See if it works. Again, not doing. You guys can't see it. Like, what's the point? The fuck is it possible? Oh, it's a full screen. Okay, that's why. There's no audio. Settings. It says there's no GameCube allowed. Settings. Controls. I cannot do that. So, what do I do in these cases? Um, Training. Select your character. Doesn't matter. Workshop. I don't know why the sound's not working. It's kind of annoying. Very annoying. The sound doesn't work. Why is that? Completely random. Hmm. I don't need to continue being able to see this. Open volume mixer. Allow me to continue seeing that when I'm in this. Is there anything being output? No audio is being output at all. If I turn this on. Oh, okay. That don't work. Don't work none. Um, hmm. I think it's the audio working. I know the controller doesn't work. Still no audio. What the fuck is going on? Weird. I don't know what happened. It didn't change anything. All I did was update the client thingy, the editor mod kit, blah blah blah. Oh, the fucking thing crashed. Wow. This is really unstable. Turn this off for now because it seems like the thing that I was using doesn't work. Okay. Settings. Don't need any of that stuff. So I think probably just looking around is gonna be what to do. What examples? I don't know if I need to write a C++ class. I definitely don't have a compiler set up yet. Random ass words that I can't believe I just said. Like that's some shit where if I saw a video, nah, I click off that garbage. Anyway, uh, characters. What, you need to keep a fucking folder called blueprints. Okay, what's in not? Okay, so attacks. These are all classes, not actors. Okay, so that's not a tremendous a lot of stuff. Let's go with maybe. Is there like a workshop? UI workshop like that? I'm not gonna try to change this one. Oh, let's see if I get this guy to do some help over here. I'm not sure if I have to make the characters in the workshop section. Man. There are guides. Well, these are all level 1. Problem is, even if I like make a copy of this, like if I make another Clarin, for example, a copy of this folder, they're all gonna be like that's definitely not how you do it. You're gonna have to do it as like a you want to do it as a child of a parent blueprint, which I'm not sure where that is. Maybe that's in the blueprints folder. The character. Oh, tutorials. Oh no, this is the literal tutorial of the game. These are important, but I don't want to mess with those. This might be useful. That's utility, so it's a communication between blueprints. Create new character. Create new email. I'm gonna uh, new character, and I just have no idea. This isn't my game. I have no idea how things are structured. This doesn't look like it's used. This looks like literally pass through. This is a utility. It is a utility. Okay, my bad. I threw the whole blueprint. I don't know if that. Oops, sorry, I punched the microphone. I don't know the way you should do things. I mean, I kind of do, but not that good. Hello, Tony. I'm playing Unreal Engine 5. I'm trying to create a character for Rivals of Aether 2. Just looking at it. I mean, I'm not expecting to get anywhere today. I was trying to connect my GameCube controller and that didn't even work. So just learning, reading how things are put together. Wait, I I'm gonna start something in 20 minutes. I don't know if it'll be finished. I'll like hopefully learn how the fuck this works. You have money on this? You got money on this? Animation sequences? That's gonna be a bitch to make. Dialogue? Yeah, that ain't happening. Grab. There's a lot of things in here. Car clearing. I get to. Can I have like fucking options? Project settings? Like, can I have these just come up here to begin with? Forget how to do that. Oh, brother, I'm not going through every single one of these. Come on. Interface? Oh, the editor. I think that's where we're at. Yeah, I don't remember where it's at. It's like window. Tab. Tab. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. Default action. So not in there. Not AI. No, not animation. Not audio. Yes, input. No. General settings. Oh, input. Nope. Interchange. It's not gonna be an engine. It's gonna be an interface or something. Editor. Performance. Nope. I don't know the plugin. Okay, bummer. I don't remember how to do it. Slightly annoying, but that's okay. Okay, so what do we got in here? No, it's just a character for an existing game. It's definitely something. This isn't an actor? Yeah, it is definitely gonna be a lot. I'm hoping that I can just like copy one dude and see how it goes on, but like even doing that, I have to find the parent, whichever like I'm gonna have to rename fucking everything and I'm gonna forget which ones I've already renamed. And I'm sure an example exists already, I just don't know where it is. He wouldn't have released it without an example. Try looking up the internet again.
In the beginning,
We can start with this, I
Rivals
guess.
of Ether 2 was created. This made a lot of people very angry and was widely regarded as a bad move. Raster. Crag. Whatever this is. Clarin. What kind of monsters would create characters like these? But what if you could make your own? We're putting the power of creation in your extremely talented hands with the Rivals of Ether 2 Workshop Beta. Just go here, download this, unzip that, read this page, get this program, get that program.
Wait, where's the read this page? Wait, I need to read this page.
Of creation in your extremely talented hands with the Rivals of Ether 2 Workshop Beta. Just go here. Download this, unzip that,
What is this? Yeah, where the fuck do I get this thing? How do I give me that? More details available here. Good thing it opened in a new tab, so I didn't have to redo that. Okay. There we go. Information. This is what we need. Okay. What is there? Armando is the guy, is the demo dude. He's not even in here. What the frick you mean? Armando. Oh, there he is. Show in folder view. The fuck? Why is he in a buses? What? Click on a stupid one. Armando example designer and scripts. Family F mod event. What? Why are they all in that folder? The fuck is that? That's just where they have to be stored? Yes. Oh, show in folder view. Oh, Armando? See if we can find Armando somewhere in here. That would help us figure out where to test our character at. I'm kind of going out of order, but like seeing stuff is cool. So Armando is not in the normal game. Skip that. I'm actually gonna before I get some stuff asking me every time. Okay. Extras. Do I have to allow that in here? No. So and local training Armando. Select my character. Do we see Armando yet? Oh, so workshop. That's probably him. Oh, that's not him. Actually, do I have to subscribe to him? Ah, okay. Well, run into our first problem where I don't know the fuck where Armando is. Bot match? Just don't know where. Selected it, but it's not. I'm like not subscribed or something, so it doesn't see any. Okay. Well, let's go back through the documentation. Oh, it's already available. Characters. So that's what users would do. This is users. How do the fucking makers, the modders? Okay, so yeah, so how to start modding. So this is gonna be our page. This is gonna be how. This is how. This is how you would use the. And then this is. Oh, okay, that's fine. Install the mod kit, open the modding window, create a new character. Okay, bruh. Yeah, okay. Create a new character is just a singular bullet point on this fucking flow diagram. Yeah, that's the whole thing I'm trying to do. Create a new character. Yeah, okay, great. Okay. I did this. Okay, to access the modding window, in the toolbar at the top of the, you know what we're gonna do? I want a floating window, but I don't think I can do that. I'm gonna, you guys can pretend that I'm reading this properly. I'm gonna put it off the screen because I don't think you guys need to read this part. Okay, so here it says, click in the toolbar at the top, click modding. Click Open Steam Workshop UI. The following window will appear. Yeah, that's fucking weird. What the fuck is that thing? Create a new character at the top of the page and the viewport window. Select the tab modding. Okay, I already did that. Select new button. New. You will know this worked correctly when you see the content folder field get auto-populated and give it an update handle. Update handle. What? It didn't. Didn't work. Select new button. Uh, Workshop title? Oh, I need to probably give it something. Workshop title. Fucking, clarinet, I'm gonna call it. Oh, Jesus. It crashed. Brother, seriously? That was, like, not very intensive whatsoever. That is not very promising. I wasn't even, like, trying to load the game or, like, test a multiplayer feature. I was just following the instructions, the first step. Create a character, by the way. Just one bullet point. Okay, well, that is there. Doing that is down. It's big just in case. Okay, at least it loads fucking fast. Like, Arc would take. I'd go and take a shower and come back, and the Arc editor would be taking that long. So at least it doesn't take that long. Okay, you're finishing asset discovery. However you want to finish that. Okay, good job. Modding, Steam Workshop, Clarinet. Oh, brother, I'm just not allowed to put a fucking description, apparently. Okay, so I am going to turn this off so I can go through my Steam and verify this shit. Oh, Steam wasn't open. That might be. It might need a Steam client to do this work. Do I need to own the game library? Yep, sure. Sounds good. Yeah. Hmm. Uh, what do I do? I want to play. Visit the Steam Workshop for Rivals to explore any character you like. Hmm. To test the workshop, I have to own Rivals of Aether too. Um, Modding, open Steam Workshop UI. New. No, not put a description. No, putting a title crashes. Hmm. So, what am I missing? Modding. There's a really tiny. Oh, there's an error in there. Blow back. Okay, what the fuck does this say in here? Steam is not open or failed to initialize. Please make sure the Steam client is properly running and reopen this window. Try restarting the editor, but Steam is open. Steam client is properly running and reopen this window. Okay. Try restarting the editor. I've already done that. It's like forcibly restarted. I'm going to disable the thingy that is Steam. 1 second. Steam. Okay, let's see. Plugins are available. Do I need them? Is there a Steam one potentially that I can get enabled? Steam? I don't want a Steam controller. It's not gonna come up with anything, but Steam is not open for Delta Volt. Hello. Thank you for your follow. Okay, it says try restarting Steam, closing out of the Epic launcher, opening Steam, verifying that a new process is made. Let's see. Oh, you opened it too soon, there's all that. Is still open, so exit Steam. Okay, open. If I heard it this time, I heard the blunk. Yes, takes forever. Okay, so I restarted Steam. Now I'm booting up the editor again. Okay, it's back. Alright, finish loading everything. Oh, it's still not working. Literal step one. Okay, not step one. Well, step one is installing the mod kit, but like create a mod is required. I have to make, excuse me, a Steam workshop. web page preservation, I guess. It's probably not public until I publish it, but mm, that's something in my eye. Hmm. I'm not gonna verify game files. Doesn't make sense. Um. Hmm. Um. How do I get into the workshop of it? See where. Okay, I got to the workshop. That's good. Oh, screenshots. Okay, so subscribe. Armando. Okay, I've subscribed to him. Let's go to the workshop homepage. My files. Iron Golem from Minecraft. That's funny. I'm not sharing this because I don't know if there's gonna be private information on the Steam, so I'm just talking about what I'm doing, basically. Um, I'm trying to figure out why it's not connecting. It just crashes. What's going on with that? Weird. Is this an Unreal Engine or is it a Um, Hello, Sloth. I am a struggling. Trying to create characters for this game so that I'll enjoy this game. Because I currently hate, literally hate. They're all bad, the characters in this game. I do not like them whatsoever. Um, I just don't connect with any of them. But I don't. I'm getting pretty towards the end of my I don't know what the hell's going on. So yeah, platform fighter. It's like Smash Bros. It's a little bit faster than Smash Bros. Um, but it's pretty technical. I got I got Steam open in the background. See right here. Opening the editor, which is vanilla. I haven't made any changes yet. They just updated it this morning, so it's possible there was an issue since the update, or they created an issue with the update. Um, because when I wait for everything to load, okay, I go in here and I click this button. It's supposed to not say this shit. It says Steam is not open or failed to initialize. Please make sure that the Steam client is properly running and reopen this window. If the problem does not resolve, but Steam is open, try restarting the editor. I've restarted the editor, restarted Steam, I've restarted Epic. I haven't restarted my computer because I'm streaming. That should not be necessary, and if it's necessary, then I'm not gonna do it. Oh, but if I click anything in here, issue. I had to click new first for it to automatically populate this stuff on Steam. I don't actually own the game yet. Maybe that's the issue. I didn't think I'd need to own the game. I thought I'd be able to like make a character, test it all out in the editor, and be like, oh yeah, I like that, and then buy the game. Is there an Epic Games version of this? I don't think so. Possibly. It's a Steam game for sure, but Rivals. No, there's only the mod kit on Epic. Really, yeah, see. That's it. Well, I either need to own it or they broke this connection thingy. Well, I've already like loaded it in here. The audio broke since I booted this up last night, I think. Played audio fine. Now this time the audio doesn't work. But there it is. The game's open. There's no online, obviously, but already loaded into a match and everything. Don't have to do that. It still had an issue. I'll put this because I just don't know what private information is in Steam. Today. Oh, sure. Workshop beta. If I want to play, how to start playing with the mod is I go to the Steam Workshop and then I right click my game in Steam and then I click Workshop version or beta version. Cool. I don't want to play it. Fuck that shit. Don't care. Want to make the mod. So I go to the mod, the website. How to make the mod. Here I am. What, 30 stream streak? Damn, bruh. That's crazy. You watched 30 of my streams in a row? What is that, like 1 month of my life? Oh, did that. Did that. And literally the very next thing I've already fucked up somehow. I get surprised you got all that with your random sleep happening. So you're like, what when it doesn't work? Steam, 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 Steam. In order to playtest your character and entity, you must be signed into Steam, or else the editor will crash. Oh, Rivals development? Yeah, true. I could potentially buy it. Steam, 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 Steam. Known issues. In the editor, if you haven't opened the character definition, ask for a modern character. A Lua. Oh, well, that would explain why we didn't find what's his name. Armando, or whatever the fuck his name was. This is not a Lua character. Armando. Characters. Characters. This is where I would put it if I was downloading it properly. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me see if buying it helps. The root of my question, or like, it's the theory. Well, no, because that's not correct. You can subscribe to workshop projects, even if you don't own the game. But can you publish? Let's see. Can you publish Steam Workshop mods if you don't own The game. No, you cannot. Well, that would explain it. So let me just get this really quick. And then if I really care, I could potentially return it and wait for a sale. To see how it works. If I like need to continually have the game in order to keep working on it, then I'll just keep it. But eh, it is. Except I must download it for one moment. And I'll put some music on. Okay, so presumably we have that. Oh, I'm supposed to do what now? If I want to play the game, I can right click it and do something or something else. Let's close this. Oh, if I want to play, how to start playing. If I click on Steam Library Libraries, go to Betas tab. Okay. Properties, Betas. Is it gonna download the beta? Beta. Yeah, I think that's like forever. The workaround is it does not save it, so people can't listen to it on repeat. That's what they care about. So like my VODs don't save the music. I don't think they do they save game audio? Yeah, they save game audio in my microphone, but they don't save the music I'm listening to, whatever it is, from Spotify or YouTube or whatever. It is lame. That was kind of like my like thing was doing song requests. That was what people would come in to do, talk to me and request music, and I discovered so much music from people. But, oh well, that was not a niche that people wanted to exist. Loud is just screaming it for some reason. I'm not entirely sure why. Okay, it's downloading the workshop version at a much slower rate. Okay, but we should be able to try. Let's see if this works. Okay, did it open? Okay. Modding. Steam Workshop UI. Errors, none. Okay, I had to own the game. What? I can't click new now though, brother. Brother man. Homo sapien? Where are you not allowing me for to go around this? Why? Where's the Okay, back to the beginning. Where do we the top open Steam, select new button. I can't select it though. Do I have to fill in some shit? The top of the page in the viewport window, select tab, open Steam Workshop UI. Okay. Tools, modding, open Steam. Do not spam. Oh, whoopsies. I clicked that many times. Let me try one more time. I just downloaded the workshop version of the what? Oh, wait. Oh, I'm confused. So when I closed the Steam workshop version of the game, it shut down my Unreal Engine editor. So I really hope that me playing it looks like I'm not gonna be able to return it. I think I need to have this. Let's see if this what this does. This is the editor version. Okay. Fortunate really? It doesn't work with the game Cubus. Exit. Quit the game, yes. Okay, so we will go back to so that launches like specifically the Unreal Engine one, perhaps? Or something? I don't fucking know. I don't know why it would close my editor. They shouldn't be related. I should be able to have the editor open and be able to play the theme element. Do not know. 3 default modules. Let's try this from the beginning. So I just loaded this up after having both those installed. I'm gonna go modding, Theme Workshop UI, no errors. But see, am I supposed to fill this out now? Yeah, I think I need to fill this out my own. It won't let me. I'm gonna move this to the side second. Let's see if this allows me to save it without crashing. Workshop title. Where in that? See if it crashes. Oh, it didn't crash. All right. Laren form test. It won't let me click no. Content folder. Private. Why can't I click no? Oh, okay. No. Laren code test. Okay. English. Okay, we did it. Finally. Holy shit. At this point, you'll want to go to your mod on Steam Workshop to subscribe to it. Otherwise, you won't be able to load it in the future for testing. Okay. Workshop content path. Do I have to click publish? There, it doesn't. Um, yeah, it is running the workshop. That's a bummer. Um, need to go to the workshop. Finished. What about my items? Oh, my mod. Oh, browse home. My clarinet. Not here. So I need to publish, perhaps? Maybe? Okay. Did it do? No, it did not do. And this shit frozen. Frozen as fuck, yo. Hopefully it's doing something. It doesn't really tell me exactly what's going on. Oh, it's writing stuff to disk. Okay, so maybe it's doing folder creation. Thank goodness I didn't terminate it yet. Was. Is it still? Writing to disk again? You're gonna let me open this shit? No. Is it cooking? Like, can I have any indicator what the fuck is happening? Rivals Rad God. Hello. Come back in a couple days when I figure out how the hell this works. I know how to use Unreal Engine. I've made Arc mods and have started like messing around making my own game, but I am struggling on the part where I need to like with the specialized connection between Rivals of Aether Workshop and the editor. I think it's working. There's not a lot of information going on here. I'm following the guide, which is like not great. Just because like I did this stuff and that wasn't all I had to do. I had to click publish. I had to go to the like Steam Workshop too, and then I did that, and now I'm stuck here. You would think they'd be like, hey, wait a little bit, because there's something that just takes 20 minutes, and you won't know anything because the thing is frozen. And I don't want to stop it in case it's actually working on something. So, mm, that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna print up music on. Oh, this it does something. I don't know how. Like 18 megabytes a second is something. Like that's work. Point 0.1, point 0.2. I mean, even if it was at 5, I'd be like, but it's doing something. What is it doing? I don't know. Go see if it's made some folders or something. Let's see. Oh, programs. What the hell is this? This is UE project? No, this is no. Epic Games. Rivals 2 kit. Oh, is it going in Fmod? Custom banks? Where was that guy saved at? It's characters? Project? No. Did work? That's what I'm saying. It's doing something, but I don't know what it's doing. It's just this is all I got. Even if I try to tab back into the thing, nothing. But it's doing 20 megabytes a second of something. That's why I was trying to look in my my file explorer to see if it's like making window folders or something. But still, it's taking a long time for just making folders. Trying to find. I don't remember exactly where it was. It was in Fmod, and then like I don't fucking remember after that. It was like Fmod custom banks or something, and then UGC. There's nothing in there. None of this should have been making anything yet because in the instruction manual it says that nothing will happen until I do this. Right click on the Lua thingy. Because clicking on new did literally, it wasn't a clickable item. So I clicked publish and it started doing this shit. It feels like it's cooking. But this is kind of what cooking is like.
What are we cooking?
We're cooking a mod.
And how did
He
it
doesn't show
help?
up. He's a ghost. I said hi to him many times. I said hi to him so much that he left and bothered you instead.
Aww.
My computer is a miner now.
It's a miner.
Yeah, it's mining Bitcoin or whatever the fuck.
We're mining Bitcoin.
Hmm.
It's so cute. Okay.
There's so many hairs that just emitted from him
Sorry.
all over the screen. Assets are Mando. I'm thinking, I mean, like, I don't know how long to wait for this thing. This is not the fun troubleshooting thing. The fun troubleshooting is like, oh, why my guy's punch animation not load and he's kicking instead. Like this beginning part is not that fun. Why can't I start a project? That's so lame. It's like going to the fucking store and be like, oh, I want to build a project car. Yeah, the car was delivered to the ocean. Good luck getting it. It's in pristine condition. It's in a watertight container. You just have to get it out of the ocean. Right. How do I do that? Oh, it came with a certificate for a company purchased crane? Oh, how do I get that? I don't know. Whose phone number do I call? Just start calling phones. Random numbers. This is doing so much activity. There's no way it's not like. What are we doing? Do I close this? I just don't want to wait. No, there's no scrolling in this thing. There is a console that I could have boot up, but I have to get into this thing. This dude. Yeah, it always says it's small, but there's nothing down here. It always starts at that. This is the first line right here. This little blinker, dude. But that was a valid point to check out. I don't see anything doing. Like, can we see where this is? Is there like go to detail, perhaps? Not responding. Is it just going up? Oh. So if it's just constantly going up, oh, it's not constantly going up. I'm so confused. If it was constantly going up, I would have been like, oh, okay, it's a memory leak. We're just gonna close this. It's actually crashed. Fuck, it's not. Oh, wait, something happened. Something happened. It cooked. It was cooking this whole time. Patience is a virtue. It was a cooker. If I go back, all right, okay. Where's the instruction manual? How many pages deep did I put that somewhere? Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna put that off of here, and I'm gonna bring it back to the main screen whenever I have the next struggle. Okay, so right-click on CD Blueprint containing another character's folder. Okay, at this point you'll want to go to your mod, Steam Workshop, and subscribe to it. I did that. Pretty sure. I'm subscribed. Okay. Right-click on a CD Blueprint containing another character's folder. So I'm assuming we're closing this. Close is not a button on there, but you can. It's not letting me type stuff. This page is not accessible. Not quite sure. I haven't tried clicking this X or this X because these are. This is supposed to be to the right of something. It's supposed to be right here. There's supposed to be the main editor window in there. And then this X is closing the whole software. You can see that there's two somehow. Maybe I can close this one. Oh, this is the Steam Workshop one. Or no. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, you know how in Steam you can like add other .exes into your Steam thing, so you can just open Steam and then open it like there, even if it's from like the Blizzard launcher? It has done that here. So it is associated my launcher for the kit with the workshop version. That's why it's showing up here and not as a game down at the bottom or whatever. Is this like some lamb sauce type shit where like you just listen to Gordon Ramsay because he knows what he's talking about, but you have no idea what he's actually talking about with the flavors being in harmony and shit like that? This is me talking. This is what that emote means. Cloud. What's up? Oh, Goober. Anyway, CD blueprint getting done from Paul. Okay, characters. We're going with Claren. So, CD underscore Claren. Do we have any of those? No. So, oh yes, we do. Right click, create new character. Oh, they made a script for this? Oh, right click. Right click on the CD blueprint container, not a character folder. Example. Yes. Boom. There it is. Scripted action. Ooh, scripted action. Scripted asset actions. It's a thingy. Here we go. Create new character. So now, this is exactly what I was talking about just 20 minutes ago. This is going to make maybe not Claren child, but the parent character child, so that whatever little nodules all over the place, that's like, if you had like, it's not a good way to explain it, but like the vanilla character with no model, no moves, no none of that shit, but all the trees and settings are connected to the base one. So they make Claren out of this one. They make the fucking monkey guy. There's no monkey guy. Whatever. All the dudes are based off of this. So this script is helping me, based off of the Claren one, make a copy of the vanilla one the same way the Claren is. Lamb sauce. John Doe ass. No, we're clarinet. That's the name of the damn thing. It's a clone of this dude to verify we know what we're doing. Oh, the next fucking the next page had an image of where to find it. I should probably follow this a little bit better. Click OK. The folder for the new character will be placed in content/characters. Clarinet, there it is. Oh, see? Perfect. There you go. Exactly all that shit. Look at that. Folders and everything. Wow. Good job, team, guys. The folder for the new in the editor, go to the new folder and move its contents to. Wait, what? In the editor, go to the new folder and move its contents into. So I gotta take this whole ass thing, or this, all this. I have to. There's the same controls aren't here. It's not content. It's migrate or something. In the editor, go to the new folder and move its contents into mod content, Unreal Assets. Okay, let's find a new one. Oh fuck, that was kind of cool, but okay. So this is the destination folder. The destination folder is mod content ID Unreal Assets. All content mod content. That's the only one I'm subscribed to. Hopefully, Unreal Assets. So I need to migrate that here. Oh, it does have a copy here. And they lied because I'm not taking its content. I'm taking its thingy right here. So I can copy a folder. Oh, there's a copy button or something. How do I do this? Is it saying in here somewhere? What? We don't need this shit on the side. Get rid of this. Thank you. Move here. Oh no, it is. Wait, okay. Maybe I was, maybe they were correct. So this to this. Move it into, does this have a parent folder just so I can double check what's going on? Yeah, so mod content, Unreal Assets attacks. So this is directly going to there, I think. Assets attack. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is taking, oh, what, let's see here. So the way this is structured is because the mod ID is unique, but the character name may not be unique. So that's how you get around two characters named Bob. Makes sense. So I'm going to take all this stuff and I'll move. Maybe I want to do this. Drop files here. We're going to move this here. I'm going to move. So that should redo all the pointers, or maybe it won't do it until I save and compile and save. That's a thing. I don't know. Okay. We can put this back down here now that we were able to copy that shit. Now what? Now what? Open the CD file in the example. Okay. CD clarinet. I really wish it doesn't make a new fucking folder. There's the compile button because I moved it. It's dirty. Exactly. I have a brain. Click the class settings. Oh, change the parent class to Rivals Lewis character data. Also what I was fucking saying like 20 minutes ago. Okay, what are we trying to do? Parent class Rivals Lua character data. Rivals Lua's character data. Change the parent class of Rivals Lua. Okay, click class defaults next to class settings. Class defaults. What are we gonna change? Ah, fricker. Change the animation directory and attack. Oh, I have to manually do these ones? That kind of sucks. Maybe it's only one, but it looks like so far. So the animation directory. What the fuck do they have? Animations. I can go and find it in here, so not in this. Fucker, I didn't tell you to do that. Mother. Right click? Oh. Yep. I mean, it closed the fucking. Oh, mod content? That one? That one? Okay, we did it. Change the enemy to attack data directory. Attack data directory. Skip that other shit because that was just extra work. Open the car file. Okay, can we save this by chance? I'm not gonna save it just because they didn't. I really don't want it to crash. I don't want to save the level. Control Shift S saves everything. Okay, so we're gonna open the character file. Open the character file, click class settings. Pick the parent class, the rivals Lure's character definition, rivals Lua character definition. Excuse me. Oh, Jesus. Currently, my goal is to literally copy one of the existing characters, and then that character I will, adjust things, learn how they work, increase damage on stuff, decrease size, change animations, things like that. My next plan is to make a character that works like Ganondorf from Smash Bros. So that's gonna be, I don't know if I'm gonna copy models or animations and use them in here. That would be ideal because then I can just like verify everything works and like kind of tune it how I think it should be. And then the final one will be hopefully I can make my own custom dude that's like unique and uh Anna wanted me to make Gibraltar from Apex Legends as a character. So like just being able to, once I know enough of that stuff, like playing around with I think the animations and stuff like that is gonna be the hardest. Playing around with the animations by just copying stuff, not by making from scratch, then I can learn okay how to do it from scratch or taking one and manipulating it to work. So Gibraltar is gonna be like a super stretch goal, but we'll see. Copy and paste resources / character script. Okay, one second. That's good. Okay, so we did that. Create character Lua file. So we're gonna save this. Copy and paste resources here to. Oh. Um. This would really benefit from having like not on the screen. So I'm gonna just read this stuff and hopefully you guys don't need it. Um. If I want to like save these VODs for other people to learn how to do it, it'd probably be pretty useful for them. If I had the like this like right here. Can I pin this? Because that would be fine. Pin. How do you pin window? Not Gemini, you fricker. I don't want that. Right click the tab? No. But that's how I pin it in this thing. See? I don't think I can do it with this without a mod or something. More tools? Nope. Okay. Um, mean by pin is so that when I click on this other window, it doesn't go behind it. I want it to just stay there. Like picture in picture, basically. That is what it is. Anyway, copy and paste resources, character script, so content. Resources are QRS. I went up. Wait, what? Resources, characters? My Q. Oh, there is Resources. Dumb. Characters. Is there a resources in here? Oh, what about in here? No. It just says resources character script. Is it in plugins? No, that wouldn't be plugins. Plugins is my UI. Copy and paste resources character script template. What is that? Oh, you know what I can do? Resources. Oh, I need to uh I want to be able to search folders. Uh Not sure that it does that. Okay, what else I can look up? I can look up character script template. Script template don't exist? Brother, that's not good. That's like the opposite of good. Character script. Character script. Bro, not good. Very badly. How the fuck does that not exist? Um, Not good. How do I character script? Um, but like how no? How no? How no? How no having? Fine. Where the fuck is that? Am I supposed to be in my mod content? There are resources? There's no resources folder. Uh oh, okay. There's some resources folders in here. But I'm not in engine. I'm not in plugins either. Oh fucker. There is no resources. Where this is not good. Let's just go back and verify we did this, I guess. So if I go back to my mod content and then use the animations directory. The class settings. Means the parent class arrivals Lua character data. Am I on the right one? Change the parent class to rivals Lua character data. Oh, this is the CD. My bad. So in here, rivals Lua character data. Yep. Click class defaults next to class settings. Change the animation directory and attack directory. Yep. Those are both the mod content. Open the car file. Class settings. Rivals Lua character definition. Okay. Copy and paste resources. Do I need to find it in my local copy of this game? Steam. Rivals of Aether 2. Oh, it's called Rivals 2? Engine? Rivals 2? Content? Let's look in Rivals 2 for character, script, template. No items match my search. Where am I supposed to get this from, brother? Where do I get this thing from? Oh, is it a C++ one? C++ might not show up. Why did they switch? All C++. Um, it's possible because it's a script. Though I think the script folder would be having C++ in here. Stop that. Content, mod content. Open, please. Scripts. That's where my target location is, right? Character script template Lua. Did I miss a step somewhere? I did that. Did that. Did all that. Um, yeah, I don't know what the fuck. Character script template. Character script template. I'm pretty stuck here. I've done everything in this. Do I need to open a Discord? Hmm. Okay, what in the fuck are we listening to? Stop. Uh, I'm just gonna look up this word and I'll probably find a result. There's a bunch of responses. There's a bunch of these. There's 5 people. Oh, Windows Explorer. See, that's what I was talking about, but where the fuck it at? So, oh, it's in the dev kit? Programs. Oh, oh, fuck. Epic Games. There we go. Root to kit. Resources. There we go. Okay. There's something in there. Okay, so copy and paste resources. Character script template Lua. Character script template Lua. Into your scripts folder. Can I do this folder? Can I view scripts? Go in Explorer. So now I should have a script in there. Refresh. No. Refresh. Uh, you know what I'm gonna. Oh, I don't know what the fuck I just clicked. That hopefully doesn't come to bite me in the back. I think it was this. Okay. So I'm gonna delete this out of that folder and I'm gonna import from resources, script, all files. What? Import resources, script templates. What the fuck? What the? How do I do this? It says copy pasted into there. Copy and paste resources into your scripts folder and then rename the copy to what you want. Character script or net. Oh, go. This is clearly not all files. .lua should be in here, no? How to import Lua into UE5. Okay, I did that, but let's just presume that I did that. Edit the script and place at name with the character. Oh, I have to edit the script. So, edit with what? Edit with Notepad++. Oh, fucker, don't do that shit. No, don't yell at me like that. Stop. All this other shit, we don't need that. Okay, at character name. For real, dude. That shit was oh, where is it? I don't think I have it anymore. Oh, I have this one. Heart palpitation. Clarinet. Oh, I need to, oh, also remove that symbol. So replace find what at character name place with clarinet. Place all. Okay, cool. Save that. Open the CD asset. CD clarinet. We had it open already, right? Select class defaults and explain the Lua section. Defaults. Expand the Lua selection. Starting from the mod ID. Okay. Starting from the mod ID. Oh, I also need this. So let's properties, details, folder path, copy as path, properties. Nope, not that one. Okay, I'm just gonna fucking write it in then if you're not gonna let me copy that shit. Mod ID. So this trigger. Lua script path dot Lua character script clarinet dot Lua. The thingy is the wrong direction. Don't know if that matters. Probably does. Probably one is an escape and one is a path. Jesus. Set the meta table name to the character name you replaced. Lua meta table name. Okay. Clarinet. Did it. Okay. So seems like we did it. We could save and compile. Compile and save. Whatever. If you try to play your character now, fuck you. It's 8 o'clock. Okay, I got like 30 more minutes. And then, can I mute the server, please? Mute server. There's a window. At least turn the fan off. Right. Okay. Open the new victory sequences folder I just created. Okay, I know where that is. What? Oh, oh, oh. Navigate to skins default. Default. Create a folder called victory sequences. Come on, bro. Victory sequences. Open the new victory sequence folder I just created. Right click on the space on another data asset. D. Huh? Oh, miscellaneous data asset. Data. Ah, whatever. The first instance of data, there are several buttons with the same name. Yeah. There's pictures immediately after the instructions. Rivals victory sequence data. Select it. Hook up your victory sequence data and your character's default skin definition. Skin's default data. Data. Open the skin asset. That is that. Yeah. I fucked up my neck. Like the drop down next to victory sequence data. Victory sequence data. We see that anywhere? Hey? Victory sequence data. Brother. Oh. And select the victory sequence I just made? Brother, I didn't name anything yet. Did I? Did I? Wait, did I? New data asset. Rename. Clarinet. Victory sequence. Okay. This one. Clarinet. Okay. Setting up Blender for character modeling? I don't have Blender. I know I'm gonna need it, but I don't want to. I don't want to. Not yet, anyways. Brother, do not make me do this shit. I know this is an important part of it, but I just want to verify that the character works. What the hell am I even looking at? This guy's so ugly. He's so ugly. That's his wiener. Look at that shit. It goes to the floor and then comes out at a 90-degree angle even longer than his legs. I think it's a tail, right? Oh no, this is a tail. What the fuck is this? Oh, grab distance from the body. Okay, understood. I was concerned. Okay, will be very cool and useful. Do I need this though? Is it another? Okay, looks like this is another subsection. Or no? Okay, hook up. So this could be a compile and save. So now, if I go and oh shit, play the game, I should be able to workshop clarinet. We're gonna see probably nothing. The game just saved, so that's good. Is it gonna open at some point? There it is. A bunch of duplicate name shit. I think the game will crash when I call one. If I click on the, oh, it might not even load. Oh, okay. Local training. All right. It won't let me play the game. Okay, it shows up. CPU playing workshop. Why did it immediately turn? Why is a human not allowed to play? Something's funky is happening. What is happening? I don't know what's about to happen. Game crash. Oh, the whole editor crashed. Yes, I mean that is what I said would happen, right? I thought the pie, the little slice of life, what the game would look like would crash, not the whole editor. The good thing I said right before that. So you need unique names. I forgot about that. And I was kind of hoping that you wouldn't because clarin and clarinet both start with CLA. So I'm gonna have to rename everything that truncated to like CLA2 or something. Or CLAT because it's the clarinet. I don't know. Let's see what it is saying. So okay, here we go. Would you like to reopen them? Not necessary. Asset ID. Game characters. So skin data, default data skin. New clat or clat 2. Wait, no, don't go back. No, wait, I want to know what the other things are. Show me the error log, Diggy. Oh, it's in here somewhere. Editor errors? No. Revision control? Asset check? No. I want no output log. Oh, that's helpful. I mean, this is what this looks like. This is what I was looking for. Words. Holy fuck, I gotta rename all these things. Okay, so conflicts with existing path. So game mod contents attacks conflicts with existing path. So all the attacks need to be renamed. But that seems to be the only thing. Oh no, so the palettes. I already renamed the skin. So palettes. Oh, okay, there's no way that's all those. Blue. The CS class. CS class. Yeah, it could be coached probably. Mm, Blue. Infinity and beyond. Ooh. Okay. So those are the pallets, and then all the attacks. Ricker. Hello, Jake. Ah! This is where I'm at. Attacks. Look at all these attacks. Can I like mass rename them? Append name would be dope. Asset actions. Yeah, he's playing. He's watching cutscenes. How to mass append files. V5 file names. Baby a triple. Damn. I can't do that. Is there a rename? F2. My fucking keyboard doesn't have an F2 button. What?
What?
I said what?
I said what?
I'm sorry, I'm trying to work. What's up? I mean, not work, but you know what I mean.
They're not give it to me, so I need a computer. I need a thing.
I think the gray one looks cool, but I don't know. If they
The
don't
other
give
one
it
is
to you,
the.
then they don't use one, in my opinion.
I'm gonna cover my ass and not cover my ass.
Guess that's true. Doesn't harm.
I like the other one.
Oh, I was stuck for quite some time period on I didn't own the game, and so it wouldn't let me make a workshop mod. Now I own the game and I made a workshop mod. The unfortunate part is that this is probably not going to resolve the crash because these are like the parsable, identifiable components that have same name, but these could call upon things that have the same name as well. So there could be even more renaming to happen in our future. I'll just make sure I save everything before starting it up again. Grr. Almost there. What I'll do is I will save everything and then I'll reload the editor. We don't lose anything if we just start the game. Even if it crashes, we've already saved. But let's see one more time this thing here. So we've got this is all attacks. I did 4 pallets and a skin. That's what I did. So we'll save this file, save all, then we'll try loading it. See if it works. Okay, local. Alright, let's see if this works. Flaring up. Ready to fight. Okay, that loaded the first time. Okay. It loaded the character, the map. Oh, rendering. See? Okay. No crashes. Oh, it crashed. Let's see what it tells us is the problem. I have a victory. That's what it was telling me would be the problem. Does it tell me more about the victory later? Oh, I might have missed a step. Real assets. Flare 2, victory underscore default. Oh, fricker. Hmm. I bet you this needs to be called something else too. Fricker! You don't. Plateau. Does this point to Klaatu? Can we please be putting these in here? Character script clarinet.lua. That's what this is. Clarinet. Attack. Oh, here we go. That's might be the thing right there. Okay. Damn. The character data by default has no animation defined, so you'll need to also specify an animation for each state, or else the game will crash if you try to play your character. Fuck. Brother, I don't want to do all this shit. I just want to test my character. Character data. Which one's the character data? Oh, it's CD? State animations? Add an animation. All the entries under state animations. Oh fuck, there isn't any. Tip, you can use shift right mouse to copy an animation and entry. Shift right, shift left. Delay. Air dodge. Delay air dodge. Delay. Healing. Heck. Crouch start. Delay crouch. Delay crouch and delay dash. This is a long time. I'm gonna copy all this for now. Holy fuck, dude. Okay. Oh, well. My computer didn't crash because it's good. Navigate to art box. There is no art box. Fucker. Clarinet Lua. Hurt boxes, skeletal mesh, and hurt boxes, physical asset. Hurt boxes, CLA Lua. Bruh, it's not in there. SK? SK underscore CLA. CLA default, probably? HP Clarion Lua? Use a base decent one. Box definitions. Okay, copy this. Paste. Bruh. Sicko mode. Didn't know you could do that. I don't really care to finish all this stuff. Can I verify it works first? Or okay, saving everything. Saving everything. I don't believe it, so I'm play saving it everything again. Play. See if it loads this time. There should be no attacks defined, but there should be states defined. So if it's just idle, it'll work. Like there's gonna be a hitbox and a hurt box. It doesn't really matter as long as it doesn't crash. To verify clarinet is alive. I need to go to sleep. Okay, so local training workshop. This one. See if it works. Probably won't, but if it doesn't work, that's okay. I'll log off. Oh, it worked. I have made a thing. It doesn't have a model, but he also can't move that direction. He can only dash. Something. Okay. I don't know why I didn't have a model. Developer settings, rivals 2, faster playtest option, edit. Developer settings, skin choices. In clarinet. default. Okay, saving. Not this one. Okay, I need to go up here and do the model. I suppose I could check here. This is Claren. Uh, Animations directory. Characters. Let's try this. See if it automatically boots me into a game. It did not. It's annoying. Shouldn't there be... Perhaps there isn't an icon yet. There's not. Okay, well, I need to get ready for sleep, and unfortunately, I don't know exactly what this is. The problem. I don't know where, like, the default model is located. Anyway, okay, so that's it for now. I guess here, technically the character works. It's nothing currently. Um, yeah, try to figure out why it's nothing next time, and then yeah, I guess I'll continue. So I was just pushing through and trying to see if I can get it to load, but next time I'll do all of it properly. I'm not gonna load a new model, but I'll like duplicate all the tags and name them properly and use those as a thing. That way, in the future, after that, maybe probably not tomorrow, but maybe on Friday, I can go through the attacks and say like, you know, what adjust the properties, change the speed it comes out, stuff like that. So tomorrow is make sure like fill it all out exactly clarinet clone, and then after that it'll be to test different ways with the spells and stuff like that. But that's it for now. Good night. I will see you guys. I should be on tomorrow. I'm hoping to get up early to go to work and then come home earlier so I can start thinking earlier. Good night.